Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb burn up and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb burn up is when someone has a high temperature resulting in them becoming unwell. When they showed up to work, their colleague noticed something was wrong. I don't think you look very well and you are burning up. I think you should go home. They visit their grandmother and noticed she isn't feeling too good. Grandma, you are burning up. Have you seen a doctor? Meaning two of burn up is to use calories or energy through exercise. The gym goer asks the fitness instructor a question. Which exercise burns up more calories, swimming or cycling? The woman is one step closer to her health and well-being goal. I burned up 1,200 calories today through my daily tasks and 1 hour exercising. So let's look back on what we've covered. Burn up can mean when someone has a high temperature resulting in them becoming unwell. When I contracted COVID-19, I completely burned up. To use calories or energy through exercise. The treadmill is my go-to cardio machine. It burns up the most calories for me. Where did you hear the phrasal verb burn up? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.